Guys, I want you to think of this as a little bit of a video diary. It's about 5 o'clock on the 8th, 5 o'clock in the morning on the 8th, and this is pretty much what I've been reduced to in Portugal. This would typify my trip so far. Just take a look around. If it looks to the viewer that I'm sleeping in the bathroom, that's pretty much what it is. I'm going to try and reveal the mysteries behind why I'm sleeping in the bathroom. Hang on one second. Come with me, please. Now, at the moment, I'm not the most mentally sharp. Like I said, it's about 5 o'clock. Actually, sorry, I lied. This is an example of how mentally sharp I'm not. It's actually 7 o'clock in the morning. Now, I mentioned that it's 7 o'clock in the morning because my brother and the guy who's the star of this feature film got in probably about 2 o'clock. He's been going at it non-stop for 5 hours. I haven't got one bit of sleep. In this bathroom, I can still hear him under the door. Now, the purpose of me making this little movie is because I'm hoping the sound really comes out, and the offender, who will remain nameless, well, he's not going to believe he's as bad as he is. Okay, anyway, I'm not going to get any sleep, but I'm going to try it. That's these things. Pity they don't extend around the ears. Alright, catch you later.